In this video, I will show how to enable and turn on LMHOST Lookup in Windows 11. So you have to follow some easy steps. Click on Start, and then here click on Settings. Now click on Network and Internet, and here Advanced Network Settings. Now click on More Network Adapter Options. Now here you can right click on your internet connection. It can be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Then Properties. Now here select Internet Protocol version 4, Properties, Advanced, Wins. So click on Wins, and here is the setting. Now here is the setting. Enable LMHOST Lookup. So just check this box, and if you have already, so click on Import and select it. So this way you can turn on and enable LMHOST Lookup. Once you select this box, then click on OK. Again click on OK and exit. So this way you can enable LMHOST Lookup. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.